sorry, but the camera turned off, so this is gonna be part 2. Sorry, that's one of my sister's noises. Again. And if there's part 3, this is crazy. So this part 2 is gonna be named the unboxing. I'm gonna show you my new character of imaginext that I have. Don't look. So here it is, guys. Here we go. I think up here. Yeah, I think it's up here where you activate that. Wait. Is that the place or what is it? Oh no. So I don't know where's the place to. Okay. Activate the thing. Oh, it's up here. You just do this and then it's coming out. Yeah, it's already up. So let's put this back. I will work on some Roblox videos, guys. I'm gonna tell you that in the comment section below. Sorry, Alexa's over there, my sister. It's making a lot of noise. So it's gonna turn on in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, it got a little bit lower at the bottom. Ooh, who's this? Batman. Wow, this is Batman, guys. Batman. Okay, let's check it out right now. Batman from the imaginext toys. Okay. Sorry, that's a lot of noises. That's why I'm screaming. Get this out of here. I know there's a lot of noises, guys, happening right now. The TV upstairs and Alexa. So I have to scream. Okay. Here's Batman. Here's Batman from imaginext toys. Okay, I'm gonna wait, guys. The camera's gonna turn off. It's gonna make focus right now. There it is. Okay, this is Batman. Sorry, those noises, guys. Again, always. They always come in. Okay, guys. I act like Batman has a power to punch hard. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, camera. YouTube camera or tablet. Okay, so yeah, about the camera thing. Here's Batman. Now we gotta get out of Batman and check out the back cave. Okay, we're back with the back cave, guys. Now let's keep on going. Who's in here? What is this? Man, can you open it up? Yes, I could. I will. Sorry, those noises, my sister again. Alexa, can you stop with those noises? It's annoying. Okay, guys, and over here, it's Dark Vader that wasn't there. I don't know why. Sorry, guys, about that, but that's okay. Wait. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go take a shower right now. But when we finish checking out Dark Vader, the lightsaber there, wow. In this video, we're gonna check out Green Lantern. So we're gonna go to the shower right now. So we're in the shower right now. This is my brother in there. You cannot look at him how he is underwear. Let's go up here for a minute. Ugh. Oh man. Okay, guys. Ooh, we're in my bed. It's far up. Okay. There's my camera over there, as you can see. There's me with my camera. Ooh, who's this? Who's this? Is that one of the minis? And T? Oh, sorry guys, and Ty. Let's see who it is. Ugh. Start opening up. Tim.
No.
Sorry guys, but that's my mom. So guys, you're gonna wait, right? Now they're gonna be in this blanket. I know. Ugh. Okay, finally, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Look at Alexa. Okay, let's go down. This is where we left from. I'm gonna lower the volume now because it's too much. It's too much. There we go, guys. The volume is turned off, and now we will put some things over here. So together, yeah. So let's put somebody in the elevator. I'm just gonna Luca, be quiet. Trying to do a video here on YouTube. Luca, be quiet. Be quiet. Okay.
Robin, can you put the elevator on?
Yeah, sure, Batman. Here you go.